Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to print grid lines in Excel. Open your document Excel, then select it or full selection. Example, you select it, click page layout tab, grid lines, view, print. Then press Ctrl P. See this preview. Settings your print setting. Sorry. See this print active sheets. Only print the active sheets. Print enter workbook. Print selections. Examples, select print active sheets. Then print. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.